It is KTV powered by World Sports Betting. Here we are again then. Benny McCarthy, Stuart Baxter. Ngoba abanye abaqeqeshi abadlalayo uMandla Ncikazi udlala udibana nabanye noFadlu Rahman waka Davids badlala noEric Tinkler. uBrandon Trute uba uzawubuya okanye uSimo Dladla bazabe beqobisana ke noManqoba Mncethi kwakunye noRolani Mukwena nocoach Steve Kompela. Those are the matches that we're covering this weekend. Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu, Orlando Pirates, Cape Town City, and of course on Sunday Mamelodi Sundowns and Swallows Football Club. Junior Kanya, our analyst as always. Maybe the best place to start la nyaka nje yo Brandon Trute ne Sundowns. Obviously it's like a straight win to the people that are betting, but football sometimes in a complication. What do you see Swallows versus Sundowns on Sunday?
Kuleko ma brother kunja.
Yes sir.
Ngibulise uTrax. Justice. Unfortunately Benedict Sovila Lazarek. Bafethu kunjani keep on supporting it TV fighting no one. We trying to fix South African football. Yeah, masiqale ngale ukhuluma ngale
Brandon Trute, yeah. Is he going to be back or is he still on special leave? Sundowns easy win.
Yeah, I understand ukuthi why bamfaka special leave. Trust by pudile between him and the technical team khuluma ngama owner. It's no longer going to be the same body language as well. Psychologically I don't think it's okay. Noma ngaba abambize is going to honor the contract as a professional guy, but mina ngibelieve ukuthi bamdisrespectile. Yes, ama results avelanga bemele ngabe bamdismissile simple. Yeah, okanye bam head of development bringing 10 lapha hlangana noSimo. Simo as head coach no. But this upcoming coach that is very knowledgeable uyalazi ibhola bemele bamhlanganise no Kevin Johnson or Tendence bahlangane. I believe something good bebazo bezohlangana. So going to the game le Mamelodi Sundowns nzima kakhulu. One badlala ne best team currently in South Africa. Credit to these three coaches Manqoba, Rulani Mukwena no Steve Kompela by bringing back a team ga le uManqoba beka coach abano Rulani no Pitso Msimang. Changing one or two players basa adjust yababona ukekana also abantu ababhayi bampraise ukuthumela abathi ujwina nenkinga nokuthumela. I see. I mean angibe convinced overnight.
Yeah, just give a quick feedback ukuthi what do you see from him, what do you need to see improving?
Yeah, one mina ngifuna umuntu master passing game who can move off the ball. Ngifuna umuntu okwazi ukudila ne1v1 decision making bheka leyo decision summarize yonke into. Ngifuna umuntu more clever. Angifuna umuntu odlala ngephysics is good technical ukwazi ukhaba ibhola, make no mistake with that, yeah, can kick the ball, utholakala kuma scoring position, can score, but ngibheka nokuthi what if I positioning yama opponent I more stable but clever enough ukuthi bangakwazi ukurecover, they can deal nge1v1 uzokwazi ukudlala na le team ikwazi ukumove off the ball. Ngibheka i-movement yakhe in most umuntu obheka ukuthi atholakala mhlambe ama support abheka ukuthi unokutholakala seka shooter. Mina ngifuna ukumbona create space, movement of the ball kuye ngifuna ukuyibheka ne decision making. So all in all kuleko Sundowns inzima kakhulu. Credit to bring back uAndile Charlie. Akana opponent akana good DStv Premiership akunamuntu. I don't know why he's not in Bafana Andile Charlie star player South Africa lazi ibhola. Ama defensive midfielder must learn from him and can still offer a lot and we prove nakalibela dlala by winning man of the matches. Ngibona badlala nge-K1 but kule game playing to Swallows bayazi ukuthi is not going to be easy game. Swallows is not been doing alibuya kufonile bazodlala nga2 anchor bringing back uRivaldo ubukeka better makhono Andile credit lo mfana lo improve kakhulu lo dlala ulakhe improve kakhulu the way adlala ngakhona manje in terms of ayekela ukukhaba ibhola is good kicking the ball but sengikhuluma nge decision making nokuvarity game yakhe makakwazi ukudlala half wing aka right half wing back ngo left. I credit to him.
I just want to say I'm so sorry. I don't think there is a better wing back in the country than Ian Mchita. In terms he's so matured, he's so relaxed, he knows when and where, and he knows when to cross the ball, he knows when to touch the ball short. I don't think there's a better wing back, right or left, in the country at the moment.
There was a coach that was honest in Bafana Bemelambis. I'm not too sure what is included, but
no, he's not there.
Bring them as a wing back, bangamqakisa Bafana World Cup qualifier, you need those people. Abana left back, badlala ngomubi. Why leaving him? So up front Shalile Shilo last week ngiconfirmile ngishilo you can have a good season kimi, doesn't mean you're a star player whatever. Provile kunento ayibona ngibonisile understand the role yakhe. Mabangamisa side emasayidini ukuthi create izomxakekisa. He understand the role uyazi ephala movie. If ukwazi ukuthena shy target without looking, it's clever. So yaspana futhi. Yaspana kurisha. Sundowns iwina le game.
There you go. World Sports Betting, wsb.co.za. We move on then. Cape Town City, my home boys, taking on Orlando Pirates. It's never an easy game between those two teams. I remember last season there was a 3-3 draw between the two teams. It's always very tense. And I think maybe the last match we watched between them, Beguna red card, if I remember correctly. It was harsh. And I think City won or Pirates won. I can't remember. Anyways, Cape Town City, Orlando Pirates, what do you make of that?
Pirates are now coach by now. I'm very disappointed. I got Shanghai, ibonakele nge-Sundowns nge-proper test. Man win individual brilliance, whereby win la abantu uyangena umuntu score spectacular goal. Don't think inwine kahle. Check ukuthi kuneke create ama chance angakhe. How many shot at target team and be balance now. Man defend and test kahle. How do you maintain? Nikwazi ukumakha na. So abakekho balance. 11 yabo ichinja weekend and week out. Goalkeeping bane problem as well. So all in all mina ngikhululeko ngibona nabo banenkinga. Going to Cape Town City, Eric Tinka love him. Mara by him leaving labayana their club abuye manje athole there's a lot of Cape Town players there. Yes ukhona umdantsane, ukhona lo mfana Makola, ukhona uRoland but they two individual. So team abayikabi compact in terms ukuthi badlala as a team. Ngibonile ngale game bayine 4 bathatha ama chances abadlala nggreen. They took their chances. Yeah. But what if they get more team edlala similar njengabo whereby pound to pound with players, individually high profile players. Ama players psychological bazoba njani. So playing Pirates uthinki bowlers mara kahlangana. Kusamele umsebenzi eminingi kumele wenze. Credit ukuthi awine le game azithole ku final credit ukuthi abe ku final. Give iyabonisa ukuthi uyalazi ibhola. Yeah, iyakubonisa ukuthi uyalazi ibhola but team yakhe kanjalo kahle. Going to Pirates win le game kule nge-individual talent. Akadlali kahle mara kunama player whereby akwazi create something out of the blues. Whereby mabasafike azithole ku position e-grand as position akore. So okanye nge-rebound. So i-Pirates okanye uwoto technical nge-free kick bayithole abambe set piece e-grand. Naye lo mfana Vincent Poole as well. Ngiyaxolisa iVAR ukuthi abadlali kahle mara individual brilliant. Akule game uba winele. Team ka Tinka ikabi grand mara ibholelazi ya.
World Sports Betting wsb.co.za zadlala ke neSpringbok siyaphinda futhi siqhubisana ne New Zealand basibethile ngomzuzu wokugqibela ke kumdlalo wokugqibela besilala nawo ngomgqibelo nangomso ke siyaphinda nabo amakhwenga amadala All Blacks Kaizer Chiefs versus AmaZulu. Benny versus Baxter. It's going to be tasty. What we do know is that based on form, we could expect ukuthi AmaZulu will play, bazocirculate ball more, and maybe they will dominate ball possession more because we can see ukuthi Chiefs is struggling in that department. Is it going to be an easy win for AmaZulu? Can Chiefs come back?
Each and every team that's playing Kaizer Chiefs is dominating. Because of midfield yabo iyazapply, that's all. Chiefs are nama midfield iyazapply. Bonange they are very nervous to call for the ball. So yazibuza ukuthi creativity izoba kanjani. West party coach idlala transition play akuna game management. I surprise ama opponent. So is plan ngabuthi once Tower got the ball, speak reaction and then we go behind the goalkeeper, go in between Tina and goalkeeper. If bowlers jump on the goalkeeper, simple. So middle gonna be dominant. It Chiefs at the back, the ball watching, go in the movement. Unumleangada experienced player coming from Orlando Pirates. Facing Chiefs, I don't think in Kinga. Guno Memela, Kalinge, Machoro, those are called player. Ball pouchers, Bandabaga's core. Tembu. That's why nokumkhawa tupeni angakhona ukora ngoba ustop it center back makadlala let's say umpeni amfakile uba center back yama opponent. So iVAR ukuthi into emniki advantage upeni team yakhe la season bekuyile uBaxter can akakwazi ukuhlanganisa le team. So iVAR ukuthi inkululeko ma players Kaizer Chiefs lawa one coach under pressure. Second udlalisa ama player kuma wrong position is playing sort of a transition play but without the build up. Udlalisa in most uyangiqaka ima midfield wakhe each and every game they've been dominant. Alexander Khulu kwazi ukujumpa bonangi atholakale lapha ifike amakho kwenza kuba nehole so ukuthi bamkore ku-A ku-easy I see AmaZulu winning this game or draw Kaizer Chiefs winning is going to be a problem ngoba ne-confidence abanayo and then it's cheap and changing I guess in the entire world i-goalkeeper change within
5 matches
2 months uchintsha abo-goalkeeper bonke boyi-4 ayidenta kakhulu as a coach ikutshela ukuthi knowledge yakho is lesser so another thing futhi why playing players kuma-wrong position we understand iplay edlala ngo-left ladlala ku-right wing ngikhuluma uKiken Ntoli yalazi ibhola le but ishape kulo manje uma uzomdlalisa lapha off position cutting in ufuna cut in akore kumele create space ukhumbula kusinyawo la ukuthi angadlala first time he must make sure eliminate the person ishape yakhe njani also going ukhama billiard ufuna adlala i-false number 9 una creativity umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi asurprise ama-opponent awunamuntu njengomshisho rumbule ku-Kaizer Chiefs currently ozoba elami leli enengiyontribula eliminate or uDomingos so ku-Sundowns so all in all I team AmaZulu they're gonna win or it's gonna be draw simple.
There you go. Enjoy the matches this weekend. A lot of sporting festivities. We hope you we'll give you 3 matches this weekend. We hope you will be with us and supporting and watching as you always do. And also hoping for the best for your team as well. It is TV, it is Times, and World Sports Betting. Thank you so much for watching us.